Hey guys, welcome to Codes Learner. तो really thank you to all of you guys for your support to our channel. तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं कि किस तरह से हम HTML में इमेजेस को यूज़ करें और अपने वेबसाइट के बैकग्राउंड में किस तरह से हम इमेज को लगा सकते हैं। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Zombie apocalypse.
So today we will work on images, that is how to add images to our file. For that, let me open my file first. So here is our file. I have changed the title to images. To add an image in our HTML file, we use img tag or image, and with this we use two most important attributes. The first one is source. Here we have to provide the source of our picture, like we are providing our about.jpg. So let's check out this first attribute. So save this file and open it with live server. So here you can see our image, but it is very large, so you can't see the full image. For that, you can also provide the height and width of your image, like we are giving here height equals to like 100 pixels and width equal to that's also 100 pixels. So now save the file and open it in the browser. Let me adjust this one too. So now you can see the full image with height of 100 pixels and width of 100 pixels, which we want. And also you can display an image from the internet directly, like find the picture which you want to display. Google Images. So we are taking this image. So copy the image address and now paste the address here. Just a second. Okay, so save the file and now you can see our image is displaying very nicely here. And the second most important attribute we have, that is alternate text. We use alt for that, and you have to give an alternate text or a type of short description of your picture, like we are giving here Google. So save the file and refresh. So now you will not see any text here because this alternate property helps us when due to any network issue or any other problem our image is not displaying in the browser. Like for example, we will cut this address here and now we will save the file. So here you can see now we didn't have the source attribute, that's why our image is not showing up in our browser. But because we have given the alternate text here, so Google is showing in the browser. So this is how we can insert an image in our HTML file. If you want to set the background image for the HTML file, then let's see how we can do that. First, inside the body tag, we have to set an attribute called style equal to. So generally, this style attribute is used for inline CSS, but we are not discussing more about CSS here. So let's see how we can set the background image here. For that, inside the style attribute, we have to specify which property we have to use. So for background image, we will use background image for that, like we are not getting here background image here. After writing the property, we will have to add colon here, and after colon we have to give path of our image which we want to display in the background. So for that we will use here URL, here it is giving us, and then we will give single quotes, and inside it we will paste the address which we have taken from the internet. So let's save the file. So now you can see here, let me maximize it. So you can see clearly our image is showing in the background, but it is like not fitting in our browser clearly. So for that we will use here another property. Just after this semicolon we will use another property called background size. So we have to give the value cover. So friends, you have to specify a semicolon after each property so that we can use our new property here. So let's save the file. So now here you can see that our image is automatically adjusts its size according to the size of our browser. But you can also see that here is some extra part which is coming. It's nothing, just a duplicate copy of our image. So to remove this part we can use another property called background repeat. So here is our property, and we have to specify the value of no repeat here. So save the file, and now you can see the extra part is gone from here. So that's how you can set the background image in the HTML file. So that's it guys for today. We will learn about more tags in further videos.